We're back, everyone. Kind of doing this at night, kind of sucks, but I'm doing what I can right now. So today we actually got, let's see, where's it at? Here it is. I actually got a steering wheel control kit. I'm tired of, I don't know why, I just got the urge and I was like, you know what, I'm kind of tired of not having steering wheel controls. Because in my wife's car, her Yukon, she has steering wheel controls, and I'm like, when we drive it somewhere around, I'm like, oh man, I miss this so much. We just kept driving it more and more and more, and I was like, oh man, I miss this. And so finally we are going to hook up this and make my controls work again. So we're gonna take this out again. Sorry, it's really dirty and I don't really clean my truck that much in the winter time. I try to, but it's dirty. So we're gonna take this out, and then I guess I talked to my stereo guy that did it, and he says that this already has a Metro Axxess kit in it, so all you have to do is hook up like 2 wires. So I'm hoping that's the case. So we'll see in just a little second. So I'm gonna pull this off. I think there's 4 8mm bolts right here, like one right here, one right here, one right there, one right there. So let me get on that. And I will show you the clip at the beginning too. It kind of, don't buy that unless, it's dumb, stupid. Yeah, but we'll figure it out. I lied, it's 7. Yeah, 7. Sorry about that. Okay, and so also the thing about it too is I haven't seen a lot of videos on this. I've seen a couple and they were just way too long and I really wanted just to find out what exactly was in the bag. So I like to do that with my videos too, is because there's times where I'm like looking up videos and I'm like, but that's not what I want to know, or where the heck is that? And sometimes I bet there's videos I have like that are like that, and your eyes are like, I didn't see what I wanted to see. But here is the wiring harness. So we'll stick out the bag. Okay, so here's the wiring harness. Okay, get rid of that for now. It's just a bunch of the wires, and I'm not sure exactly which ones I need to cut and get into, but I'm hoping it's nothing really crazy. But here's the jack I need to put in, and then so then also comes with an auxiliary line. So if you have a certain radio that doesn't take this, you have to wire it in, and which mine doesn't. Mine already has the port to it. So if you need that, but we don't need that today. So we're gonna hook it on, or this one goes back here somewhere, and I have the port, it's like right here somewhere, but we'll get to it and I'll find the wire that he said supposedly I just have to connect to. So let me find it out. He actually was not lying, because as you can see, so there's my cable that is right here, so that's already on there, and then that little black head that looks like the headphone jack, it's right there. So literally all I need to do is hook up the box. That's it. Which is right here. Holy cow. So all I gotta do is plug it in and shit, that's awesome. So let's get that going. See if we need to program it or anything.
Tomorrow.
Okay, everyone. So back, I was having some issues with it going on. Like it wouldn't, like I hooked it up and nothing would happen. And I was like, what the hell's going on? I was like researching, got tons of papers, or printed off a ton of papers, like a lot, like a ton, just trying to read into it. And I was like, oh my god, what's going on? It wasn't working, and it would just, the light would blink green, slow red, back, green, red, and I could not get it to work. And I was like, what the hell is going on? So I did the hold on to the up button, and it wouldn't do anything. Then finally I talked to a guy on LBZ Duramax forums on Facebook, and he's like, just repeat it like a heartbeat, like boom, 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 boom. And I was like, hey, well, let's see if it works. And now it works. Look at it. Okay, turn that off. But yeah, so that's awesome. I might have to reload this video again if it gets, because of that. That's dumb. But yeah, everything works. So let's see, watch. So that's my seek button. Here's the source. Bluetooth, Pandora, Spotify, auxiliary, radio. It's awesome. I'm excited. I'm ecstatic. So I guess there's like 3 different things. You have to check your wiring. If it's anything, hold the up button for a long time, and if not, just do the heartbeat. Boom, 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 boom. And I guess, I don't know, this is just my truck, and I have the whole the Axxess interface for the dash install, so that's the easy part. So I would say, if you're going to do it, spend the money and get that, and then get the Axxess thing with it. It's a lot simpler. So even if you get the dash for the Axxess dash thing already, then if you want to do it later, you can, which it was $50 on Amazon. So I'll put down the link below to get it. And yeah, if you have any troubles, shoot me a comment down below. I'll try to help you, but this is just my case. So it's awesome. I'm glad I have it again. Now I just need to get a new one for that, because you can see it's old guy was rubbing it. I got a new one for that. That one looks good. I got it out of the junkyard. So yeah, so that was cool. I'm very, very, very happy. So thanks for watching. Also updated it online on their interface update. So yeah, I'll put down the link below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.